Hello and welcome back to this new video of 5 stocks in 5 minutes. Today we will discuss some stocks that are in a good trading setup, that is breakout and retest. So the first stock that I want to talk about is Grand Pharma. So as you can see that Grand Pharma had a multiple resistance points in this zone at 2473. So it tried to break out on 5th Jan, it failed. It tried to break out on 18th Feb, it failed. And on 4th March, you can see a great bullish engulfing candle. And you can see there was a consistent volume as well with this candle. And now it has breakout and retest. So there was a kind of a cup and handle pattern, and it has actually broken out and it has come back to retest. So Grand Pharma is at a very important zone. It can further actually go down till 21 EMA as well and can take a support back and bounce back from here. So ideally I would buy this stock if it breaks this level that it created. Okay, so this level of 2667 rupees is very important, and if it breaks this, then I would buy this stock because it would be an all-time high and I would like it to go till 2800 or 2900. Moving on to our next stock, which is Mindtree. Again, a very bullish stock. So you can see that it was trading inside this zone from, you can say, 22nd of December. And it also came back on its 50 EMA line after a long time. If you see, after Corona, it has rarely happened that it has gone to its 50 EMA, below 50 EMA. So now what has happened in Mindtree is that there is a breakout. You can see here clearly, and breakout with volume. You can see green candle in the volume side. And there is a breakout and it is coming back to retest now. Now the same setup that we had in Grand Pharma, if this stock comes down and bounces from here upwards, then I would buy this stock once it crosses this line. That is a level of 1900 rupees. So the next stock that I want to talk about is Tata Power. As you can see, great volumes here. So a lot of activity in this stock is due to the fact that Tesla has come up with an agreement with Tata Power to actually set up EV charging centers, but no official confirmation yet from either Tata Power or Tesla about this deal. So this is an important zone for Tata Power, as you can see here. So why this is an important zone? So let's switch to the monthly chart. This point, that is 113 rupees, has been a good support and resistance levels in the past years as well. So you can check here. So it took multiple times support here, and then this becomes a resistance point as well afterwards. So here, and now here. But the difference between this and here is that there is a huge volumes here. You can see that volume is huge. So if Tata Power gives you another bullish engulfing candle here and it breaks its recent 52-week high, then I think it is a buying opportunity here and it is a good stock to trade. The RSI levels are at all-time high as well, so be aware of that. If it reaches till 83, then there could be a short-term trend reversal. But at the moment, this stock looks very bullish to me, and there are good volumes as well in this stock. But again, it's a news-filled stock, so anything can happen. Okay, the next stock I want to talk about is Bajaj Consumer, and you can see that the RSI is falling from here. There is a good bearish engulfing candle at the top, and it has faced a rejection. Now, from where I have drawn the support line is, we have to switch again to the monthly chart. And if you switch again to the monthly chart, you'll understand that So this is a 50-month EMA line. So it is getting resistance from the 50-month EMA, and you can see that this point in the past as well has served as a good resistance point. If you switch back to the daily chart, you'll understand that there was a golden crossover in Bajaj Consumer. Now, to see the golden crossover, I have to switch the EMA from 21 to 200. So when a fast moving average cuts a slow moving average, then it means there are good signs for the stock and there is good trend reversal in the stock. So if I had to buy this stock for investment and not trading, I would have bought this stock at the golden crossover period, which was on 2nd of December, which is here and which is here. So I would have bought this stock on 2nd of December because there was a golden crossover, and it means that the 50 EMA line has cut the 200 EMA line, and now it looks kind of, so it is trading inside a zone and it has faced a rejection at the top. Now what can happen is it can come back to its 50 EMA line and then go back again face a rejection, come back again face a rejection. But there will be some point where this stock will actually break out from here and then come back, retest, and then go back again. So another thing that can happen is that maybe this stock, if there is a bullish engulfing candle, so it can give you a breakout here as well, right? So please keep this stock on your watch list as well. Okay, the next stock I would like to talk about is IRCTC. Again, a very bullish stock. And it has given good returns for the investors. Now, is there a trading opportunity in IRCTC? And the answer is yes. So you can see that in this stock, this was actually quite a good resistance point, this number 1732. So once it gave you the breakout on 1732 and there was a very good bullish engulfing candle, and then it faced the rejection at this point, and then it tried to break again this point on 4th of March, which it was unable to do. Then there was another rejection at the top, and then finally it gave a breakout from this zone, right, from this zone of 1987, and now the breakout has been done and it has come back to retest the support point. So this point, which was acting as a resistance in these 3-4 candles, is now the support for this breakout, and it is giving a retest here. So now again I'm in breakout and retest. The volumes are not great, but yes, if it gives you a bullish engulfing candle here, then again this stock will be on the up. Again, to buy this stock, I will buy this stock at an all-time high whenever it breaks the all-time high of 2075 rupees. So this was all from this week's video. I hope you learned something from this analysis, and I am not the one who is giving you calls or something. I just want you to understand the process of investing and trading and what does it means when a stock is on the best setup. So I've shown you some of the stocks that are on my watch list, and only when they'll meet that condition, then only I would do the trading. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next week as well.